indicates what is the matter in that particular lesson. So the heading of the lesson is fiber to fabric. Fiber to fabric. Do you know anyone what do you mean by fiber? Fiber, have you heard the word before? Fiber is nothing but it is a thread. One small thread. Maybe you have, when you are flying the kite, you have seen that one is having one thread is there. Okay, so every cloth, whatever it is, every human being is having three basic needs. What it is? Shelter they need. Isn't it? House they need. Food and the cloth, because other living organisms, they don't need the clothes. Have you seen that tiger is wearing any jacket? Have you seen any birds are wearing any dress or like that? No. So human being is the only organism who is, they want the clothes. Ancient time, previously, the ancient people, they are wearing the leaves or skin, any animal skin as the cloth in previous time. But nowadays it is not possible. Have you seen that any student or any man is wearing the leaves and they are roaming here and there? Only Adivasis can do that one. Isn't it? Now it is not possible. Now we are having variety of cloths. If you are going to visit any cloth shop, you can see that variety of dresses are there. That is prepared from the fibers. That cloths are prepared from the fibers. Fibers are nothing but it is the finest thread. Have you seen the woolen cloths? Sweater, cap, mufflers, socks. They are prepared from the woolen thread. And this one, whatever this saree, you can see this one. This one is nothing but it is a rayon, nylon. This is also prepared from the thread. Whatever the cloth, fabric is nothing but the cloth. And from that cloth, we are going to stitch the different type of dresses. So, from a journey of a thread to the cloth to the dresses is called as a fiber to fabric. Fabric is nothing but simple cloth that is prepared from the any type of thread. So, initially there are two type of fibers from which the different type of cloths are prepared. So which type of fibers are here? That is, first one, natural fibers. These natural fibers either you will get from the plants or you will get from the animals. How it is, I will explain. Means the natural fibers which we got from the nature, they are called as a natural fibers. Either it is plants product or animal product. Next one, next type of fiber, that is synthetic fiber. Synthetic means man-made. We have prepared that one using the different chemicals, using the process done on the natural fibers in the factories. These fibers are prepared in the factories or industries. This one naturally we will get. So synthetic fiber is the second type of fiber. That is, the examples are rayon, nylon, acrylic. So still too many fibers are there which is prepared in the factories or industries. So whatever you can see this one, this sari cloth, this is not a natural fiber. Only natural fibers that is prepared, either we will get it from the plant. Have any idea that from plant which type of thread we will get? From plant, which type of thread we will get? One example I will give you. From that one you will come to know. Okay. From plants we will get the, have seen the cotton cloth. That cotton we will get from the plant. Have you seen the cotton plant? Cotton plant, have you seen? The cotton balls are on the plant. And from that balls, the different threads are prepared in the factories or by hand also. That's why see here. If you have seen that, do you know Mahatma Gandhi? Huh? Maybe you have seen the picture that they're moving the charkha, isn't it? From that charkha, the cotton balls are turned into the small yarns or thread, and from that thread, the cloth or the fabric is prepared. So, plant product is nothing but cotton. Another one, jute bags are there. Means the bags which will carry the grains. Have you seen that? The wheat or the jawar is put in that one. So these are the jute bags. And from that one different type of bags are also prepared. Fancy bags are also. So next type of fiber, from animal what we will get? Which type of thread? Natural fibers. These are we get from the nature only. Animals. Animals are the living organisms. One example I will give. Wool. Who will give the wool? From whose skin the wool is sheep. Another one. But initially wool will give the sheep. Next. Horse. No. See here, have you seen the sheep? See, means their skin, you can see that the sheep is too much fat. Inside that one, their body is protected by this much long hairs they are having. Skin, on the skin they are having the long hairs, that is nothing but the wool. That will be reared, that will be cut. Suppose, have you seen we are having our hairs. If you are going to cut your hairs, the growth of the hair will stop there only, or they will grow again. They will grow again like that. The sheep skin, whatever the hairs on that skin, if it is going to be cut or removed, again within 2-3 months their hairs will again grow. And means after every time, after 2 months, 3 months, the human being will get the wool from the sheep. Another animal is there who will give the wool, that is nothing but yak. Yak is also having a long hairs on their body. Why they are having the long hairs? To protect their skin from the harsh conditions. Because yaks are there in the mountains, snowy mountains where snow is falling. If they don't have the long hairs or thick skin, what will happen? They will die. And this skin or these hairs will protect their body from the different very harsh weather conditions. They will be protected. Once this wool will be removed, again 3-4 months that wool will grow. For example, we are having nails. Nails are also there. Once we remove the nails, nails will grow or they will remain as it is. Their growth will be stopped. They will grow again now. So, like that, once the wool is removed, again that will be grown. Means time to time we will get the wool again and again from the sheep or yak. Another animal, yarn or fiber, that is, maybe you have seen silk, isn't it? The silk sarees are there, silk dresses are there. That one is too much costly, this one is. Because the silk fiber we will get from the silk worm. Worm, do you know? Pula. The silk worm is there. Silk insect is there. From that one we will get the silk thread, and that thread is connected to one each other, and we can prepare the fabric of silk. That's why see here the silk sarees are too much costly. That is 3,000, 4,000. But these cotton sarees or cotton dresses, they are little bit. They are also costly, but not like that. Silk, it will get at 400, 500 like that. So like this. Natural fibers either we will get from the animals or plants. Plants means cotton or jute. These two fibers we will get. Next, animals, from that one wool we will get, and silk from this plant. Again, one nowadays it is going on. Previously it is not there. Have you seen the banana plant? Banana plant, have you seen? The stem part is there. The banana stem part is there. From that one, the threads are coming out. Threads are coming out, and from that threads, some different materials they are doing. Some people. So this one we can write here. Banana stem also, it is nothing but it is a natural fiber. These are the fibers. Dara, thread, now it is cloth is not ready. Only fibers we will get, only thread we got. And from that thread, we are going to prepare the cloth. Thread we cannot wear. Can we wear the thread? No. When the threads come together and they will join each other, they will prepare one fiber. Like this. Suppose this one small example I will give. Suppose if I want to weave. I have seen that some people, their weaving machines are there. What it is called? In Kannada what it is called? No. The people who are weaving that cotton sarees, or what it is called? Weaving mills, nowadays it is woven in the industry. But near to our place we are having the different looms. Yes, hand looms are there. Cotton sarees they are going to wear, you can, whenever we are going to visit that one, you can see that one on the same machine. Different colors of threads are on the reel. Reel, you know, all of you? Rolled. The thread is rolled on some of the one point, and it is kept in the like this. Different colors. When the machine gets started, the different color of threads are there going to join each other, and they will prepare one beautiful sari, long sari. Once the reel will complete, the thread will complete again. The another roll will be joined there. Okay, and again the weaving gets started. So previously the people are wearing the clothes which is prepared in the handloom. By hand only they are weaving that one. So how to weave? In the next class on Monday or Tuesday we are going to see one activity. How the threads will be woven together to form one cloth or like that. We are going to prepare one small mat. You can see that variety of cloths we are having. You can see, first of all, have you seen your school bags? School bags. They are having the different type of cloth. Your uniform, they are having different type of cloth. Even though the bed sheets, the chadars, the curtains, they are having the different type of cloth. Your saris, your different tablecloths, they are having. So we are having the variety of fibers or fabrics from which the different type of cloths will be woven. Not, you can see that this type of sari you can see everywhere. No, this sari type is different. This is nylon. Cotton sari is different. Silk sari is different. So the different type of cloth, different type of materials. One example I will tell you. The ladies' bags are there, isn't it? They are prepared from the different thing, that is artificial, they are having rayons or nylons like that. So whenever you are going for the cloth, the variety of cloths you are having. A small example is if you are going to visit any shop, you can see that only one type of cloth is there in that one. No, variety of cloths we are having. Even though you can see that the shirt you have wear, that cloth is different. And the pant you have, whatever you wear, that one is of different cloth. Means both are fabric, but they are prepared from the different fibers. So like that, in initial previous, what we can say, before millions of years, the people are wearing the leaves, banana leaves, and different animal skins, like tiger skin is there, or bear skin they are going to wear as a cloth. But how the modification is going on, or how the human being become more and more clever, like that the development is also there in the variety of cloths also. See here in the previous days, maybe your grandparents, they are wearing the different type of clothes. Have you seen that your grandfather is wearing jeans and shirt. No, their cloth, their wearing style is different. They are wearing some shirt and dhotar, like that. Means the previous people, they are having their different cloth, what we can say, interest. Nowadays we can see that variety of clothes we are having. If you are going for the shop, you are having a variety of choices. So nowadays, because of this revolution in the fabric, nowadays, why this variety is like this? Because of the synthetic fiber. But this one is, these type of fibers are very harmful for our skin. They are not good. Always wearing the synthetic fiber is not good for the skin. Why it is like that? Natural fibers are very good for our skin, for our, see how we are respiring, like that our skin is also respiring. Can we feel that skin is having any nose? No. Then how they respire? One example I will give. If you are going to sit near any fire, what you will feel? You are feeling very warm, very hot, that you can't sit near to that fire. If you are going in a cold water, ice water, what will happen? Your skin get very tight. You are feeling very cold, no? Your body started shivering, like that. If you are going to do the bath with a very hot water, it can't bear it. Means our skin can feel the hot water, cold water, very warm water, everything. So this is nothing but it is a one type of respiration of the skin. Whatever we are feeling, that is nothing but it is a respiration. See here, if you are going to wear a very tight clothes, that one is not suitable for you, not according to your size also. What you will find? What will happen? You are feeling uncomfortable. When I have to remove that one, like this your feeling is there. So that is nothing but it is your skin is not going to be respire properly if the clothes are not proper. See, if you are not going to wear any comfortable clothes, you are not feeling at all comfortable. And the people who are wearing the good clothes, they are looking very smart by wearing clothes only, isn't it? How the people will look smart in any function, you can see that the people are wearing very shining type of clothes, very glazy clothes they are wearing. Why? To attract another people. Only the another people will attract by clothes only. If you want to look smart, what is the first criteria? You have to wear the very good clothes that is comfortable to you, not comfortable to others. So clothes are having a very good, what we can say, view to see the people. If you are going for any function wearing the dull clothes, nobody will see you. If you are going to wear very good clothes and with good hairstyle and like that, the people will attract to you and they will come to you to talk. So the clothes will give you the good impression. So clothes are very, very much important in a human being's life. Some people you can see that they are wearing only same type of clothes. Somebody will like only cotton clothes. They are not going to wear synthetic fiber because cotton is good for our skin. That's why in the summer days we are going to wear only cotton clothes because the summers are very hot and our skin can't respire also. Sweating is going on, too much sweating is going on. At that time, these cotton cloths are very good for our skin. Now from nowadays, from the banana stem, different type of pots are prepared, different type of fibers are prepared, different type. You have seen the banana leaf? Banana leaf have you seen? For eating purpose we are taking as a plate, no? So that one, from that also some fibers are produced. You can see this one. In your home also you can check that one. If you are having any banana stem, if you started scratching that one, you will get the different type of fibers, threads you will get. Even the new cloths which we brought from the shop, if you cut that one, you can see that small threads are coming out. That is nothing but it is a fiber to fabric. So these are the different The next part we are going to see in the next period. Up to that I am going to share one video to you to check how the